Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your device supports a gesture lock and is updated. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, charge the phone above 20% and temporarily disable other lock methods so they won't interfere. Now open Settings, navigate to Security or Lock screen, and choose Gesture Lock. You'll be asked to draw an initial pattern. Draw confidently and without lifting your finger. This first recorded gesture establishes the base pattern the system will verify against on future attempts. You need to create a gesture that's both secure and repeatable. Think of a simple symbol or shape you can reproduce under pressure. When prompted, draw the gesture 2 to 3 times so the system captures variations and builds a reliable template. Make sure the strokes are deliberate. Quick scribbles confuse sensors. Once verification succeeds, set a backup PIN or password to recover access if the gesture fails. Finally, review any sensitivity or recognition settings and adjust until detection feels consistent. You finish by enabling the gesture lock and testing it 3 times right away to confirm reliable recognition. If the device misreads the pattern, go back into security settings and either recalibrate sensitivity or re-record a clearer gesture. Make sure common environmental factors, wet fingers, screen protectors, gloves, aren't causing errors. If you ever get locked out, use the backup PIN or password to regain access. Only consider a factory reset as an absolute last resort because it will erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.